Okay, prior to surgery, my foot was numb, my leg was numb. I think the tipping point for me was I was going to kick a soccer ball, and I completely missed it. I mean, I didn't know where my foot was,
Right.
and at that point I decided I couldn't wait any longer. I needed to have surgery. Another issue was, I mean, I'm a high school principal, so I have to stand at football games, I have to stand at basketball games, I spend a lot of time doing supervision. I couldn't do that anymore. I had to find places to sit, and even sitting hurt, and it was 30 seconds caused major pain in my back, my leg, and I wasn't able to do it anymore. After the surgery, now I can stand for extended periods of time. I do feel a little bit of pain, but nothing in comparison. I make it through the whole football game. I can make it through basketball games. I have a little bit stiffness. I think that will go away. It's only been 5 months after surgery. I have a little bit of stiffness when I get up, but overall, I think the surgery was a huge success. I feel really good about it. And there was a second surgeon that saw me afterwards, and he looked at the hardware and said, "Oh, man, those are really good." I mean, and looked at the surgery and liked what had happened. Something else that has happened since the surgery is I'm able to move more. I'm able to lose weight. I have lost 14 pounds since the surgery.
Great.
And it's just being able to once again be active and not to always be in pain and feel like I couldn't do things.